I'll show you something. Wait.
So I stay in a place like this, which is a bit alienated.
From the main road. Uh, as you can see, yes. And today we are going to talk about a very persistent issue which I have faced while staying here. You can see that building, that there is the main road, and we stay here. All right. So the issue I'm going to talk about today is that how a girl and a boy is stared at when they're together, irrespective of the fact if they're a couple or not. This is Sneha Roy with you in another episode of Inscripted. Let's talk about it. So the problem, I think all of you have noticed this, that a couple or a girl and a boy, just as friends, are stared at a lot. I don't know for what reason, in any place they go. Forget about them being in a bit intense position, even holding their hands. I have no idea why this happens. This is very irritating. Trust me. Like, if people with sharing different relationship, like parent or a sibling or a friend, are in the same position, nobody looks at them. And if a couple is seen to at least even hold hands or like walk a bit closely, or sit a bit closely with each other in a park or in any place around, people stare at them so badly, and I don't know why. I mean, I am sure we all have read about how people are, raped and thrown out of the cars, and nobody comes to rescue them. And this is the one thing I have always thought about, that why people have problem with love, especially this form of love. And as I was showing you the places, we have had police arresting people, couples, so-called couples. We don't even know if they're couples or not. They are like a girl and a boy, just for walking around these lanes. I'll show you the lane once more. These lanes, and for sitting there beside this water. This is like a pond. Yes, now it's kind of bushy, but before the pandemic, this used to be maintained regularly. People used to sit here, and there's a beautiful sunset which you can see from here, which I can't show you now because the sun has already set. So yes, stairs are something probably all of us face in life every day while doing something, or something which is out of the odd, or like anything probably, because we all know how conscious it makes us. It's stairs are kind of an arrow to you. Look what you're doing. Why are you doing that, kind of thing. But I understand all of it, but this is something which I always fail to understand, why a couple, why romantic love is taken so differently than other forms of affection, other forms of love, especially around us, like where we live in.